Hello everyone, I'm Alice. Welcome to my channel Easy English with Alice. Today's topic of our lesson is a little bit more than 100 most commonly used words of English language. According to statistics, a half of our speech includes these words. Moreover, every book, every scientific investigation, every article has a row of the words we will be considering for next 20 minutes. So to perceive information better and to ease your way of learning English, I have already grouped the words in accordance with the word class they belong to. There are verbs, nouns, adjectives, prepositions, and other word classes combined into one group. So we start with the verbs. The first verb we'll be talking about is do. So, for example, I did my job for today, or I do my job every day.
What are you doing here?
Next word is make. I have made an effort to get the promotion. Or I make efforts every day to get a promotion.
Will you excuse me for a moment? I just have to make a quick call.
Get. I got you. Do you get me? I got the promotion. As you can see, there are a lot of translations, a lot of meanings of the word get. But you need to know the main ones at the beginning, yeah? Get, it's a kind of synonym for understand. Get, it's when you need something and you have it, yeah? So I got it. For example, I got a promotion. And of course, get, it's when you need to go to some particular place and now you're there, now you're at this place. So for example, I got to the museum.
Get me home.
Give. I gave her a present for Christmas. What do you give me for Christmas?
If something happens to me, could you please give this to MJ?
Feel. What do you feel? How do you feel yourself? I'm feeling myself great, thank you.
Yeah, I'm feeling so much better actually.
Verb have. For example, I have 3 brothers. Yeah, I have 2 siblings. I have a friend whose name is Maria.
Oh gosh, she had the best smile.
Yeah, she had the best everything. It's good to have you home.
No. I have known her for 2 years.
I know how to pack a suitcase.
Live. You live, you learn. As long as you live, you learn something. Yeah?
Are your parents home?
Yeah?
Do they live here?
No.
Go. Do you go there with me?
Let's go. Come on.
Think. What do you think about her? I think that she's nice.
She thinks she's found a magical lamp.
Try. One more word that has a few meanings. So you can use this verb when, for example, you're at the shop and you need to understand if this dress fits you. Yeah? So I'm going to try in room, yeah, to try this dress. It is the first meaning. The second meaning, it is when you want to try some food or you want to try something new. Yeah, for example, I have tried this cake already. I really liked it.
By now you must try the banana shortcake.
Want. I want to get the promotion. Will you help me? Want, it is when you have a desire to get something, to give something, to do something. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So having a desire of doing something.
I want to go out to dinner. You don't want to meet me in the on-call room, and you sure as hell don't want to talk to me. I could pretend I know, but hey, I don't even have your home phone number. So tell me, what do you want?
Find. I found my love.
You're best man, Arthur. Go and find them.
Listen. The verb listen always goes with the preposition to. So, I listen to you carefully.
Listen to what she is saying and respond.
Love. I love you. Do you love him? Love can be as a verb and as a noun. Yeah? So, love, to love someone, yeah? And, for example, I have love. Few ways of usage this word.
Honey. I love you, Mom. I love you.
Say, I said you that he was right.
And what exactly did I say, may I ask?
See, I can see you clearly. What about you?
You have to see it. Pass, thanks.
I'd love to see that.
Take. Again, a few usages of the word. You can take some courses. For example, I took English courses 2 months ago. Yeah, you can take something from a table. Yeah, I took my phone from the table. And you can take someone to a particular place.
Here, take my card. Take my card. Take my card, okay?
Work. Where do you work? Do you like your work? Welcome. Welcome has 2 meanings. So it can be an answer when a person tells you thank you. Yeah, and you're saying welcome. When you're very, very happy to see someone home, yeah? You're saying welcome, welcome. Ask. What do you ask me? Why do you ask me this question?
You asked for my help. Here it is.
Change. I want to change myself. Will you help me? And again, the next usage of the word, it is to change your clothes. For example, it is dirty and you want to change the clothes for your meal's dinner. Yeah?
It may change many things.
Can. I can do whatever I want.
I can do it.
No, you can't. No one can. It's bullshit.
No, I'm pretty sure I can do it.
No, you can't.
Keep. Keep calm. Keep yourself ready.
Oh, well, you keep touching it.
Mean. What does it mean? It means that you're right.
You don't mean that.
Need. I need your help.
She doesn't need another friend. She needs a husband.
Happen. What happens here?
Yes! Desperately. It's not gonna happen.
Learn. I want to learn these signs.
I can learn.
So now we go directly to the next group of words, which is nouns. The first noun is place. So, what is your favorite place in Kyiv?
Right. There is no place for mankind on land.
Time. What time is it?
It's from a long time ago.
Week. What do you think about this week?
1 week.
Word. What is your favorite word in English language?
No one uses that word anymore.
Well, it's the only word I know.
World. I want to go around the world.
Get off this island and just see the world, okay?
Way. What is the best way of learning English?
Monsieur de Winter, please, this way.
Idea. I have no idea.
I had no idea you were in Monty.
Trouble. How did you get in the trouble? Point. What is the point of going abroad at this particular moment of time?
That's the point.
Thin. Do you like the thing? I really want to buy it.
It's a dangerous thing.
Mood. I'm not into mood today.
I'm really not in the mood.
Man. Who is this man?
Hey, man. Got a...
Woman. Who is this woman? Money. How much money do you have for the new shoes?
Mr. De Winter,
offered money in exchange for that note.
Business, it's my business.
It's business as usual.
Deal, it was a good deal.
Deal?
Deal.
Game, do you want to play this game?
Do you want to play a game?
Life, I really enjoy my life.
And it's the happiest day of our life.
Year, Happy New Year.
Years and years ago.
Choice, it's my choice.
I didn't have a choice, okay?
Job, do you love your job? I really love my job.
I think I could do a good job as your assistant.
Next group of the words is adjectives. So when you describe someone, you use adjectives. For example, someone is good, someone is bad, and so on. And it's quite clear that the first adjective, which we'll be talking about, is good. So, good. He is good at drawing.
You really think this is a good idea?
Bad. He is bad at dancing, don't you think?
You might say, this is a really bad time for...
Long. She has long hair. Big. She has big house.
Drones will be able to create an event big enough to cover an entire city.
Free. I'm absolutely free for you.
He's believed to be so completely free of fear.
Busy. Are you busy today? Crazy. She's absolutely crazy about him.
It's your engagement party. Isn't that crazy?
Beautiful. Today's absolutely beautiful weather.
So beautiful.
Cute. She's cute.
Look how cute they are!
Dark. Today is dark outside.
These are dark times, there is no denying.
Different. Do you think she has different opinion concerning the topic?
The construction is different.
Happy. Are you happy today?
I don't understand. You were happy to do this when I hired you.
Old. He is 7 years old.
He doesn't want to go on living in that big old house.
Legal. Is that legal?
I'd have no legal rights.
Illegal. So if something is prohibited, so it isn't allowed to do, it is illegal. A little. It is a little complicated. Or she's little.
And have our little movie, would we?
Nice. I have a nice idea how to spend the evening.
It was nice.
Young. She's young.
She's young.
Fair. It is fair. Or unfair. For example, if you think that something is not really fair, it is unfair.
Is that fair?
One more group of the words, it is prepositions. The prepositions, it is the clause of the words which generally combines the words in the sentence. So if you need the particle which combines two words, we use prepositions. The preposition, it is to. I go to my mom. Then we go to about. We're talking about this topic. Or it is about 10 a.m. So if it is around the time, you use about or around.
Is that what this whole big white wedding is about?
For. I bought this present for your mom. Or he's famous for the company's establishment. Of. It is the book of Anne. So if something belongs to someone, we use of. At. I go to school. Up. We go up. Put your hands up. from. We go from Germany.
It was a bad idea from the start.
Over and under. The plane flies over my head. My dog is under the table. And one more group of the words, it is other word clauses combined to one group. So we start with you. Do you think he's right?
He's always talking about you guys and the good old...
Then we go with I. I'm absolutely proud of myself.
I'm sorry.
She's nice.
But said she would do it again.
He's pretty bad person.
Tell him he's not Henry Ford. He's Henry Ford II.
Would. I would go there, but only with you. Very. I'm very happy with you.
Mr. Twistle, listen, this is a very important...
Usually, I go to my mom with him.
I can't believe I forgot. I usually write stuff like this down on my arm.
Exactly. So exactly, we use funny Italian that it is right. It is absolutely truthful fact.
That's exactly what I think.
Together. Do you go there together?
How can it be the right thing when we're not together?
Right. He is right.
But I think it's the right thing.
Okay. Are you okay?
A couple doctor's offices, got sales calls, okay?
Okay. Really? Do you really want to get this job?
I really did everything I could think of.
Sometimes. Sometimes I feel that I'm absolutely right.
No, not really, just like sometimes.
Not. He's not right.
And you don't see how unfair this is?
I just wanted to buy these shoes.
You think this is just a magazine?
Here. Are you still here?
What am I doing here?
There. No, I am there. Oh. I like all the shoes.
Oh, check it out, map of the whole house.
Again? Do you want to hear this again?
Plan to do it again and again.
And I really love my mom and dad. Always. I'm always right.
Oh, I wasn't always a nun.
We're nice.
All right, we're gonna eat those bets for breakfast. We're lighter, we're faster.
It is great idea.
I don't care what it costs.
They're perfect couple. And the last one, it is any article. Yeah? So a, and the. Thank you everyone for your attention. I really appreciate that. If you have any questions, please leave it below in the comments section. I will answer it as soon as I get it. I really appreciate if you click thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and will be watching my next video.